open source framework for agentic applications you own. Don't choose between rich user interfaces and autonomous agents. Every agent-native app is both. Agents and UIs fully connected. The agent and the UI are equal citizens of the same system. Every action works both ways. Click it or ask for it. Everything syncs. Agent and UI share one database and one state. Changes from either side show up instantly on the other. Real-time multiplayer lets humans and agents collaborate in the same document simultaneously, with CRDT merging and live presence like cursors and selection rings, and the agent becomes a first-class peer editor. It works on any SQL database and any host, including serverless. The framework is context-aware. The agent knows what you're looking at. Select text, hit CMD it, and tell it what to do. Each user has a workspace for skills, memory, instructions, sub-agents, and MCP servers that is SQL-backed and customizable per user. Agents can call other agents. You can tag another agent from any app, and they discover each other over agent-to-agent communication and act across your stack. Reusable integrations let you connect a provider once in Dispatch, keep secret values in the vault, and then grant apps like Brain, Analytics, Mail, and Dispatch access to shared account metadata and credential references. You can build the same agent as a headless API, a rich chat experience, or a full application where agent and UI stay in sync. Apps that improve themselves improve on their own. The agent can add features, fix bugs, and refine the UI over time. The framework supports any database and any host supported by Drizzle and Nitro, so there's no lock-in. Bring the agent surface you need. Mac-compatible hosts can call your apps. Coding agents can install skills. Native chat renders reusable app outputs, and bring around agent runtimes can stream into the agent native chat shell. The framework for agent-native apps gives you primitives for products-grade agentic software, shared actions, SQL-backed state, identity, tools, skills, jobs, observability, and UI surfaces that all work together. Backend agnostic. Bring your own database, hosting provider, model stack, and app code. One action powers UI, agent, HTTP, MCP, agent-to-agent, and command line interface. Actions are defined once and then used from UI, agent, API, MCP, agent-to-agent, or CLI. The agent runtime ships with chat, tools, skills, memory, jobs, observability, and handoffs. You can plug in any Drizzle-supported SQL database and Nitro-compatible host. One agent can take 3 product shapes. You can call the agent and actions from code, CLI, HTTP, MCP, or agent-to-agent. The same primitives power a headless shape. A rich chat is a standalone or embedded chat with native tables, charts, approvals, setup flows, and tool results. A whole app is a full SaaS or product UI where chat can start central, move to the sidebar, and stay synced with app state. The framework includes protocols for agent-to-agent, MCP, remote MCP OAuth, MCP clients, HTTP CLI action calls, native chat widgets, adapters for chat runtimes, and deep links, all hanging off the same action surface. Code agents and editor interoperability is handled by the ACP protocol rather than separate integrations per feature. If you want to try it with a skill, you can add visual planning and pull request recaps to Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, Pi, OpenCode, GitHub Copilot, VS Code, and similar agents with one command. npx agent native core latest skills add visual plan. This gives you 2/ commands that upgrade how your agent plans and reports its work. Visual plan opens a structured, reviewable plan document instead of a wall of text, with inline diagrams, UI wireframes, prototypes, file implementation maps, and annotations you can comment on and approve. Visual recap turns a pull request or GitTIFF into high-altitude visual recap with schema, API, and file changes rendered as grounded before and after blocks with a shareable review link. Instead of scrolling around, check the skills guide for more skills and local installs. Templates are full-featured, 100% free and open-source SaaS apps that you can fork and customize. Each template is a clonable product you own the code for. There are templates for calendar, content management, and open-source Obsidian for MDX, plans, visual plan mode for coding agents, slides, analytics, clips, and more. All templates are available in the template gallery. Quick Start is a single command to fork a template and start building locally. Run npx agent native core latest create my platform, cd into it, install dependencies, and start the dev server. The CLI shows a multi-select picker so you can include as many templates as you want in one workspace. Pick mail, calendar, and Forms, and you get all 3 apps wired up and sharing authentication. Or browse the template gallery for live demos. If you want a single app without a monorepo, use the standalone flag. Workspaces or monorepo is the default shape of an agent-native project. Every app sits under Apps and Packages. Shared contains optional shared custom code, instructions, skills, or branding that applies to every app. Add another app later with the adapt command. Deploy every app behind one origin, and you get a shared login session across every app and config cross-app agent-to-agent communication. The best of both worlds. SaaS tools compared to raw AI agents and internal tools make the case for agent-native. UI in a SaaS tool is polished but rigid, whereas a raw AI agent has no UI. With agent-native you get a full UI that you can fork and go. AI in a SaaS tool is bolted on and powerful but shallowly connected. Agent-first integration makes the AI deeply integrated. Customization is limited in a SaaS tool, but with agent-native you can tailor everything through instructions and skills. Ownership is rented in a SaaS tool, somewhat yours in an internal tool, but with agent-native you own the code. Join the community on Discord to ask questions, share what you're building, and get help. The full documentation is available at agentnative.com. License, MIT.